After hiking along the Asalba River in Pinery Provincial Park, a Nature London group of 14 hikers expressed interest in feeding birds in hand. So, we went to where we knew we would find them and be accustomed to being fed by campers in Area 1 Riverside. With some patience, we were rewarded with black-capped chickadees, white-breasted nuthatches, and tufted titmouse. Or is that titmice? And that, folks, is how it's done. You just have to stand still long enough and they come in. After exploring Pinery on foot for a couple of hours, we brought our bag lunches to the visitor center. We ate in a sitting area that overlooks bird feeders, and we were treated to even more sightings, including the previously mentioned birds, plus downy and red-bellied woodpeckers. And we finished off by viewing the exhibits, as well as wandering through the Friends of Pinery store. What a great day!